Are you looking for your next project to 3D print but you don't know where to look for something? Well, guess what? This video should solve all your problems. So sit back, relax, and let's roll the intro. Hello everyone, my name is Kira Creates, and for some reason I only wear black shirts with basic printing on them and they get wrinkled because I don't know how to take care of myself. And today we are going over a bunch of places where you can get 3D printing files. Now there's so many places out there to grab this stuff and the options may be overwhelming, so you may not know who to pick from if you already know, or you're just getting started in the hobby and you just don't know where to go. Well, hopefully in today's video I can show you everything you really need to get started, or if you're more advanced and you're just looking for some really good models, a 3D print, whatever, this should be the one-stop shop for you. Now, of course, with it being said that there are tons of places to get models, I am probably going to miss some places in this video, so please, I implore you, leave a comment down below on some places that you can get some 3D models from that are reputable and that you trust and put out some great product. With all that out of the way, let's get started and look at these websites. Alright, and to start off this video, we're going to be looking at Theo3D, and that's because I am partnered with Theo3D, so just go check them out. They got a lot of cool stuff, and they got a nice variety too. Like, just looking at the homepage here, you can already tell there's a ton of stuff. We got Minecraft movie stuff, Chicken Jockey, we got Tron helmet from the upcoming movie, Marvel Rivals Steampunk Iron Man, just a ton of stuff right off the bat. Now, they have everything laid out fairly simply, and you got a ton of categories right off the bat. Marvel, Star Wars, DC, like a ton of stuff. If you want to get character specific stuff, there's some listings, but if you click all here, you'll get a whole list. And they also have a smaller category filter on the side here for Star Wars helmets, free stuff, and all that. So let's go to free stuff, see what they got to offer. They got Squid Games, they got some Thunderbolts, some basketballs from when that was a meta. And if you're at all curious on what they have and just want to search up random stuff, just go ahead, let's just say shotgun, see what they got for that. Boop. And you can see you got a ton of different options for a lot of different stuff. Like the first thing that pops up here is actually the Mark 40 shotgun armor that I use for my own build that I did a whole video series on. So if you haven't checked that out already, I highly suggest you do. Ton of information on there if you're looking to build your cosplay armor. But yeah, going back here, like I said, there's a ton of options here. You got like different gun files like Deadpool. You got Shang-Chi bow staffs popping up for some reason. Bo-Katan, like an absolute crap ton of stuff showing up. And if you use my code at checkout, KK2050, you'll get a nice little discount. So it should be anywhere from 20 to 50% depending on the promo. But in this case, it took this Gears of War gun down by half. So you'd only pay half of the price for this model. So make sure to use that code if you decide to buy something from Theo3D, because you can save yourself a ton of money and it has unlimited uses and it helps support me directly. So go ahead, check out Theo3D. They got some great stuff to get you started. So next up here on the list is something super awesome. This is called Wireframe 3D, or just simply Wireframe on the top here. They just redesigned the website. Here you can get a ton of high quality models that are super detailed, easy to print, and easy to make by a bunch of different modelers. This is basically a marketplace for these guys. So here you could get models based off of the modelers here, like Walsh, Vec. I've had my Mark 42 helmet by Walsh. There, Dice Props, K Cosplay Tech, who makes a lot of Spider-Man stuff. There's an absolute ton of modelers that showcase their stuff on this website. And you can also check from their collections like anime, Marvel, DC, and all this fun stuff. You could get model bundles, you could get like a bunch of their latest stuff down here, like this whole Mark 85 armor that was designed and super motorized. It's just super cool. But yeah, just look at the level of detail on this. This is incredible. And if you want to search something up, of course, you use the search bar on the top. Let's just search up Mark 42 because I want to look at something here. And here you have a ton of Mark 42 models, whether it's helmets, concept helmets, or a full-on suit. If this Mark 42 by Levy was out when I was making my Mark 42, I would have for sure used this, because look at all the details on it and how super accurate it is, and just all the motorized stuff that you can do with it. Like, it's super cool. Like I said, they have a variety of stuff on here, and they also have something super cool called the Wireframe Battle Pass, which is basically a Patreon subscription for $15 a month, where you get 4 brand new models every month, plus a legacy model from the site. So it's super cool. There's a lot of amazing stuff on here. And Wireframe, I hope one day you guys sponsor me, because that'll be super cool if like I could have a promo code to give out, stuff like that, to help promote the website and get more people to this place, because I've talked to a lot of people out in the wild and not a lot of people know about the website. So I'd love to be able to have an easier time promoting it and just be able to support my audience and support you guys. So hey, if y'all want to work with me, hit me up. And a quick little bonus here before we go to some websites by individual modelers. A friend of mine, Saturday Morning Props, has an awesome Patreon, and he's starting to release new models every month that are based on nostalgia. And at the time of recording this, there isn't a whole lot on here. It's mostly just this model for this giant useless mask, which is pretty awesome. And he's working with a modeler named Apocalypse, who does some fantastic work. So he does some awesome stuff. I'm super excited to see where this Patreon goes, and it's not very expensive at all. So I'm excited to see where this goes in the future and see what kinds of models they pump out. And next up here, we're going over a couple individual modelers, and this one is Johan 3D Print. This is the one who I got my Mark 42 suit files from. His models are very affordable and they're pretty nice. They got a nice variety of stuff here that you're not really going to find anywhere else. Like this Iron Punisher model goes pretty hard. This Pikachu mashup looks super cool. Here's the Mark 42 model that I use. It's a pretty old model, but it gets the job done quite nicely. So like I said, he has quite a few models on here. Might as well check them out. Maybe you'll find something unique that you won't find anywhere else that you'll be like, oh, I want to make that. And the second one I'm going over is Yosh Studios, which I actually haven't used before, so get his models at your own pace. And again, there's some super unique models on here that you won't find anywhere else. So if you just find a really curious looking project on here that you might be interested in making, go ahead, make it. Again, your miles may vary here, so I can't tell you from my own experience, but there looks like there's some pretty cool stuff on here that's from a wide variety of stuff. So it's like Minecraft, Marvel, Zaku, I don't know what that's from, but it looks cool. You got a bunch of minifigures that you can make. Got a lot of stuff here, and you got an Oblivion Gate too, which is pretty neat. Oh, that's a phone holder. That's actually kind of cool. I like that. But yeah, Yosh Studios has a bunch of stuff, anime, Marvel, whatever. So go ahead, check them out, see if there's something you're interested in, and yeah, maybe I'll make something from here in the future. I don't know. And now the final segment here, we're going to be going over a large marketplace. These two websites I'm about to go over are fantastic places to start your journey, because there's a ton of free models on here and there are millions of files on these places. The first one I'm going to start with, which I like a lot, is Colts 3D. They have so much variety on this website. So let's go ahead and search something niche like murder drones, because I did make an N cosplay for murder drones, which I plan to make a video on, so stay tuned for that as well. And I did use a model from Colts for that. So let's search up murder drones. And here we have about 80 free results that goes from anywhere from figures to cosplay props and just little things you can put on the shelf. Like you have some Uzi and N figures, you have a Sin figure there, you have a model here for a tail for disassembly drones. Now it's pretty cheap, it's like $8 for the file, but like I said, there's some free files on here. Like these figures are free. This hand file here, which I did end up using for my cosplay, it costs $5. We got Uzi head for $6, and we even got a fidget spinner on here for free. That's an absolute solver symbol, so that's pretty neat. So just curious here, I'm just gonna search up Iron Man because that's a thing that I'm known for right now, I guess. That's fantastic. So you got a ton of Iron Man models, whether it's busts, you got some suits thrown on here. This suit that I'm hovering over, it actually is free, and so is this one. I'm gonna guess that this is either a custom model or this is a model from like an animation or video game, because it's a very MCU style, but it's not from the MCU. So, and because it's such a big place with a ton of files on it, your mileage may vary, so download files at your own risk. You're not risking your computer or anything, but I can't vouch for the quality of the models, how they're split up, whatever. But if you want to find something that may be niche that you might not be able to find on any of the other websites, you might be able to find here. And like I said, there's a bunch of free options that you can get here, or super cheap options. Now there's some awesome creators on here that I know of, like Apocalypse Creations here. He has a bunch of Call of Duty Zombies stuff. He's got some FNAF and some odds and ends here too that are super cool. Like this Ray Gun Mark II, I really want to make at some point. I just need to find the time to do it. But dude, this thing is sick, and I personally like the Ray Gun Mark II better than the Ray Gun Mark I from COD. And then here's the Angel Dust gun that I printed in a previous video by Otomeno Kaiju, who also works with Apocalypse. She also makes some incredible stuff, and this whole model came out beautifully, and it only cost $3, and it was very easy to assemble, and it was broken up into amazing parts that made printing a breeze and assembly just mwah. She also did the microphone for Alistair's staff that I made. So like Colts 3D has some amazing stuff on there, and there's a lot of diamonds in the rough in here, so might as well go check it out, especially if you're looking for some free options. And the last website I'm going to go over is Thingiverse. Thingiverse has been around for forever, way before I started doing this. Same with Colts 3D, but I think Thingiverse is a place where a lot of people started. There is an absolute crap ton of free options on here, but like I said, the model quality can be hit or miss, so download at your own risk. So let's search up Iron Man here as well, because that should give us a ton of models to work with here and just give you an example of what's here. So you got a ton of stuff. You got full suits, you got helmets, you got a ton of stuff here. You got figures. And you have this really cool Mark V helmet that I think I've seen a couple videos on YouTube, where you can make the individual piece of the faceplate actually move like the movie. So like you can get a ton of cool stuff on Thingiverse, and you can also get some basic stuff either for really cheap or for free. Actually, no, I'm pretty sure this is a free website because I haven't found a paid file yet. So if I'm missing that point, whatever, but a lot of the files on here are for free. But that's a rundown on Thingiverse. So if you have an idea for something you want to make, just type it into the search bar, see what pops up. That's the same thing for all of these websites. So just check them all out, see if there's something you like, and then go buy it, download it, whatever, and get the making. Now there is one more thing that I want to go over briefly, and that's Etsy. But I'm not going to really show Etsy in this because they can be hit or miss. And there's a lot of straight up scams on here. Like for example, a while back, my Raimi suit pictures were used to advertise this guy's Raimi suit who was scamming people. He wasn't delivering, and it was not the quality that he was showing, because he was showing a $5,000 Spider-Man suit for over $100. So like there's a lot of scam artists on Etsy. I don't recommend Etsy. There's some good modelers on there, but I just don't really trust it. If you want to go there and check something out, that's fine. Again, go on there at your own risk. These models may be stolen from other people. You might not be getting the quality that you're buying. It can be a headache. One of the only makers on Etsy that I can really vouch for is SaturdayMorningProps, because most of my Spider-Man face shells are from him. So if I would recommend anyone to check out on Etsy, especially if you're looking for Spider-Man stuff only, go to Sensational. He has some of the best face shells on the market, along with KA Cosplay Tech. So like, go check him out. He's got a ton of variety on here, and I guarantee you, you are not going to be disappointed with these files. They are fantastic. But yeah, that's pretty much a video. This is my second go around recording it because the other one went on way too long, so hopefully this one is under 20 minutes. It should be. But yeah, like I said, if I missed anybody that you guys use, make sure you leave a comment down below talking about them, so that way I can check them out, or anyone who's viewing this video can check them out, so that way there's more modelers who are super talented getting a bunch of support like they deserve, because these guys are artists. They deserve recognition for their talents, and they deserve to be compensated, because like there's so many talented artists out. But yeah, I hope you found this video informative. I hope you found something that you're interested in. So leave a comment down below, as well as if you find a file on one of these websites, tell me where it's from, tell me what you're making, and just share what you're making, because we're all a community of makers out here, so it's like, just share it. But yeah, if you're looking for more content, my channel is packed full of informational videos, or just other videos if you want to entertain yourself or cry yourself to sleep at night like I do. And if you're looking for more content, check out my TikTok and my Instagram and all that fun stuff, which is all linked down below, as well as all my sponsored and affiliate links to help support the channel, because the economy's rough out here. And yeah, make sure to subscribe, like the video if you liked it, and hit the bell notification to get notified of all my uploads, and maybe join the channel. I don't know what to put for join perks yet, but it's there. But again, I hope you found this video informative. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and until next time, where you use one of these websites to get some files and to make some stuff, and then I make something to give to your mom on her birthday. I'm not going any further with that joke. Yeah, just go touch grass.